Welcome, children. Today, we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Ghafoor. This is a very special name that teaches us something wonderful about Allah. Let's discover what this name means and why it's so important for us to know about it. Let's look at this beautiful name, Al-Ghafoor. When we say this name, we say it like this, Al-Ghafoor. In English, this precious name means the most forgiving. This is one of Allah's most beautiful names that shows us how merciful and kind He is. Now, let's understand what Al-Ghafoor really means. When Allah is Al-Ghafoor, it means He is always ready to forgive us when we make mistakes. Sometimes we might accidentally break something, or maybe we say something unkind to our friend or sibling without thinking. When we feel sorry about these mistakes and ask Allah for forgiveness, He is always ready to forgive us because He is Al-Ghafoor. His forgiveness is bigger than any mistake we could make. Let me tell you a story about a boy named Ahmed. One day, Ahmed was in his sister's room and saw her favorite toy, a beautiful doll that she really loved. Ahmed knew he should ask permission before playing with it, but the toy looked so interesting that he decided to take it anyway. While Ahmed was playing with the doll, something terrible happened. It accidentally broke. Ahmed felt his heart sink as he looked at the broken toy. He felt so guilty and worried. His tummy felt all twisted up inside, and he didn't know what to do. He was scared about what his sister and parents would say. But you know what Ahmed did? He decided to be brave and tell the truth. He went to his sister and parents and told them exactly what happened. He said he was really sorry for taking the toy without asking and for breaking it. His parents were proud of him for telling the truth. And his sister, though sad about her toy, forgave him because she could see how sorry he was. Ahmed learned that when we're truly sorry, people can forgive us, just like Allah does, but even more. This is exactly like how Allah is Al-Ghafoor with us. Just as Ahmed's family forgave him when he was truly sorry, Allah's forgiveness is even greater. When we make mistakes and sincerely ask Allah to forgive us, He does, because He is Al-Ghafoor. His forgiveness is endless, and He loves it when we turn back to Him and say sorry. He always gives us chances to become better people. Remember, dear children, Allah is Al-Ghafoor, the most forgiving. Whenever you make a mistake, don't be afraid to turn to Allah and ask for forgiveness. And just like Allah forgives us, we should try to forgive others too. When we forgive others, Allah loves us even more. Let's try to remember this beautiful name of Allah and be forgiving just like He is.